At Houston City College Southeast, students get hands-on training in welding, logistics, real estate, education, all keeping an eye out for what comes next. What if your career could start with a spark? At Houston City College Southeast, students are turning hands-on training into high-demand careers. From welding to logistics, real estate to education, HCC is helping build the workforce that powers Houston. Inside the welding lab at HCC Southeast, precision, discipline, and skill are fused together. Students can earn 2-year degrees and industry certifications in welding technology, structural welding, and automation. They train using real equipment guided by instructors who bring years of industry experience to the classroom.
I knew nothing about welding when I came into this program. And not only were they very patient, they were very hands-on with me. They made sure that my hand and eye coordination were where it needed to be before I even touched equipment. They introduced me to the book side of things and the codes and standards of electricity and welding before they even allowed me to touch it.
And that training is paying off with demand across industries like construction, manufacturing, and energy. Welders are stepping into stable, well-paying careers.
I realized with ever-changing economical factors, that I wanted to go into a career that was always in high demand.
But welding is just one path. HCC is preparing students for careers across multiple high-demand industries. In a global city like Houston, keeping goods moving is critical. From the Port of Houston to airport, rail lines, and warehouses, logistics drives the local economy. At HCC, programs in logistics and global supply chain management train students for careers in transportation, distribution, purchasing, and operations.
Through HCC, there's an SCMP program online that lets you take a test online that readies you for the actual supply chain world. So you can carry those credits over to wherever you go as well. So that's just one start that they help you through, like internships, or just get your foot in the door, to kind of start that journey.
Students also benefit from industry connections, helping them land internships and get their feet in the door.
My first professor here was actually, I think she was in or is still in the logistical field. So I feel like that is a testament in itself showing, hey, this is what you can do. So seeing someone from me, I think firsthand in it, that was the first step for me. And also I just feel like they have different webinars, seminars, they have different, I think, like job fairs and things like that on campus, also to prepare you for that as well. Many different contacts and different avenues and routes. That's logistical, pharmaceutical, oil and gas. There's so many different avenues and they have them readily available.
And in many cases, those opportunities can lead to high-earning careers with long-term growth. As Houston continues to grow, so does the need for housing and development. HCC's real estate program prepares students to enter the competitive residential and commercial markets. But it's not just about buying and selling. Students also learn property management, mortgage lending, and inspection skills that open doors across the industry.
I really wanted to make a great achievement in my life. So I choose real estate because I think the business here in Houston is great. It's so big, so you have a lot of opportunity to grow in this area. So that's the reason I choose real estate, and also because I love to help people, to serve the community.
Meanwhile, school districts across the region are working to fill a critical need for qualified, certified teachers. HCC is helping close that gap. The Alternative Teacher Certification Programs offers a flexible, affordable pathway into the classroom in as little as 18 months. With evening and weekend options, the program is designed for working adults ready to make a difference.
The comprehensive curriculum has equipped me with the tools to address the diverse needs of my students and confidently navigate the challenges of today's classrooms. My HCC instructors are TEA certified teachers and experienced school leaders who have played a significant role in shaping my classroom abilities.
Experienced instructors provide personalized support and real-world insight to help future teachers succeed from day one.
You have professors that deeply enjoy the work that they do in teaching future teachers how to be successful. Our ultimate goal is to make sure every student that we touch, either directly or indirectly, are successful and that every professor here will make sure all teachers and future teachers are ready for that.
From skilled trades to global business to community impact, Houston City College is helping students turn ambition into opportunity with flexible programs, industry partnerships, and a focus on real-world skills. Students aren't just learning, they're launching careers.
Thanks to HCC, I have fully overcome the fear of failure. I have established eternal generational wealth and a path for my children, and I was able to do that by maintaining a healthy work, life, and school balance, which is almost impossible to do. And I owe HCC anything that I can do for them the way they've done for me.
Enrollment for fall classes is now underway at HCC. In fact, we're offering no-cost tuition for many short-term certification programs. To learn more about our Eagle Connect programs or to register, go to hccs.edu. At Houston City College Southeast, I'm Todd Duplantis. Back to you in the studio.
All right, Todd, thanks for that. I think it's never too late to say, hey, what am I doing in life that's not working for me? I want to go back to school, learn a new skill, and maybe get a totally new career path online.
And think of how easy they make it. It's so different from when I finished college, right? Like there's such the easy opportunity to get back into it today.
Great skills to learn and high-paying jobs out there for sure.
All right, Houston Life will be right back.